Most companies don't fail at maintenance because they don't try. They fail because they get software that their technicians never actually use. We've worked with teams across all industries, and there are clear patterns behind the implementations that succeed versus the ones that stall out. In this video, I'll break down the top equipment maintenance software and show you where each system works for your techs day to day. That way, you can figure out which one's best for your team. All right, so the first one I want to talk about is Maint. And while it works well across a lot of industries, it really stands out for healthcare facilities like clinics and hospitals. It has a mobile app that's really easy to use. Your techs can put QR codes on the equipment so they can just scan it and instantly see its history. And if you're managing a lot of aging equipment, that history matters. It helps you figure out when something needs to be replaced instead of repairing it for the 5th time. It also helps you customize your inspections, which is huge for staying compliant with the Joint Commissions and keeping sterilization control in check. And because it's so user-friendly, your team will actually use it. If you managed a maintenance rollout before, you know that's half the battle right there. As for pricing, Maint is refreshingly straightforward. Most CMMS vendors have packages that lock in certain features behind higher rates. But for this one, you get everything at $42 per user per month. That way, you don't have to worry about upgrading in the future or missing out on features. But honestly, the best way to know if your team will actually use the system is by demoing it yourself. That's why at Software Connect, we can get you demos and price quotes from vendors that actually fit your business, saving you weeks of research. Visit softwareconnect.com. Link is in the description. Next up is Tractian. This one's built for teams managing a lot of heavy equipment. What makes it different is that it comes with its own IoT sensors for condition monitoring. They're popular with manufacturers, but honestly, they work great for many industries. Construction, oil and gas, mines, you name it. These sensors are built to hold up in rough environments. Here's why that matters. Instead of waiting for something to break down, the sensors track conditions in real time and catch problems early. For the kind of equipment we're talking about, that's not just about saving money, it could prevent serious injuries. As for the software, the AI actually identifies the specific fault and walks your staff through troubleshooting it. That's a big deal because a lot of teams are still working off memory and sticky notes when something goes wrong. And despite how advanced the features are, the interface is clean and modern enough that users pick it up quickly. Another strong option for condition monitoring is eMaint. I usually recommend this one for multi-site manufacturers who need everything centralized in one place. They sell their own Fluke sensors that track vibration, RPMs, voltage, all the stuff you care about on production equipment. The moment it detects an anomaly, you get notified instantly so your team can investigate it before it becomes a real problem. But beyond the sensors, eMaint makes it easier for your techs just to get work done. There's an interactive floor map tool where you can lay out every machine on the plant floor. Each piece of equipment is color-coded by status, so at a glance you know what's running, what's down, and what needs your attention. If you're managing a huge facility or multiple sites, that visibility alone is valuable. This connects directly to work orders, so when your techs are out on the field checking PMs on the mobile app, they can pull up the exact location of any asset. Whether you need the full condition monitoring package or just a solid user-friendly CMMS for your team, eMaint is a great option. Now, if you're a really large company, you may need an enterprise asset management system. This is where I often recommend MicroMain. It's great for companies across several industries like manufacturing, oil and gas, and energy. What stands out for me is the asset lifecycle management feature. This lets you track high-value equipment from the initial purchase through its retirement. Because with so many assets, it can be tough to monitor them all without a dedicated system. MicroMain pairs this with a great core maintenance system. Each event, whether it's a breakdown or just a PM inspection, is recorded. This allows you to accurately track your equipment's performance over time instead of guessing whether you need an upgrade or not. Like if you have a forklift that everyone complains about, you can see that you've already spent a lot of money on repairs this year. That way, you know for sure whether it's the right call to invest in a new one. And don't let the quote enterprise label scare you off if you're mid-size. MicroMain hits a nice balance between maintenance and asset management without the overhead of something like SAP or IBM Maximo. So those are 4 of the top equipment maintenance systems on the market today. But if none of them feel like the right fit, or if you just want to cover your bases, check out our full roundup page. It has other great platforms like MaintainX and Equips. Link is in the description. And if this video was helpful, check out our best CMMS software video next. I cover even more options that might be a better match for your team. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.